Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd. Happy Tuesday. We made it here. Currently, we have a crazy snow blizzard outside. I had to shovel for my dogs that couldn't make it through. Had to shovel a pathway to get outside. Thankfully, the snow is it's rather light. Right now we have the S&P's up 8, Dow's up 89, and the Nasdaq is up 13, which is kind of crazy because Dow was down 200 last night. Yeah, I mean, no, that's not good. Hold on a second. Dow came down last night. I mean, we closed up at 3086, came down to 37. Yeah, so about 180 points, 170 points right down here. This blizzard is gonna suck to shovel after work. Wall Street's bets going after toss now. Oh boy. If you're just joining, say what up. What's going on? Jeff, Jack, Red Dust, Manchild, John. Thanks for being patient with me yesterday. Not live streaming. Once some more people get in here, I'll fill you guys in on what's going on this week and why I'm not going to be live streaming as much. Yo, Ramsey, you can go Class AI. Been a while, man. Class AI, what's going on? Glad to have you here. Jose, John, do me a favor, hit the like button. Dan, good morning, man. Beyond a Vicious Squeeze. So yeah, a couple things going on this morning. Beyond. Now, what's kind of suspect about Beyond? Let's look at Beyond here. I mean, Beyond's been relatively flat. I mean, as you guys can see here, it's been hovering around 140 for over a month. Dropped all the way down to 116, and then we came all the way back up to 140, which, normally you think we're just kind of chopping, which, that was the expectation. But as you guys can see, yesterday, this stock dropped. Beyond dropped yesterday. Did it drop yesterday? No, it didn't. It didn't. Actually, it dropped the day before. So the day before, sorry, this was yesterday's candle. This is very suspect because yesterday's candle, people were loading up on shares for no apparent reason, and then we had Beyond Meat teaming up to make plant-based snacks and drinks with Pepsi. Looks like CNBC's got some issues too. looks like each trade's reportedly having issues as well. So yesterday, I think Robinhood had issues. Other Schwab had issues. Thankfully, Tastyworks didn't have issues. But it seems like the internet's having a rough time today. So operations will be managed through a limited liability corporation called the Planet Partnership. So guess kind of see what happens, but Beyond's up like 20% right now. Beyond, I mean, this was definitely suspect. I did check to see the unusual options activity, kind of see if like there was anything going on here. And let me just, if I'm looking here. So I searched Beyond, and honestly, yesterday the only thing that happened, there was only one order for 202,000 for the long side, and then the put side there was one order for 128,000. But overall, there wasn't really a whole lot of information. There wasn't really a lot on the radar. So I kind of feel like this was a inside job. Is this stream lagging? Is it? It says I have a good connection. What's going on, CBK? I think the internet is in general. Yo, Beyond's up to 216 right now. Hey, this is exciting. Unlike GameStop, this is up for a real good reason. GameStop this morning. So GameStop. Yo, Faiz, what's going on, Sarah? Robert Benito. So GameStop short sellers are down 91 billion in January as GameStop leads short squeeze in stocks they bet against. And then it says here, they are not backing down. Shorts are not backing down. The more shorts that pile in, the better it is for, longs, as long as the bulls can overpower the bears, So for HD, I don't know. I'm going to see what the price action is right now. I don't know. Is it going to hold or not? I mean, Beyond's going to be epic. But the good news for GameStop today, is, I don't know about Robinhood or any of that stuff, but we have GameStop's yesterday on Tastyworks. They did on Thinkorswim. Strikes did go up to 150, but yesterday I was having difficulty in GameStop because GameStop, the strikes only went up to 115. But now on Tastyworks, the strikes are going all the way up to 200 for February. March expirations up to 230. So I'm gonna be looking to sell some way out of the money premium to capture. I'm going to try to get this 300%. I'm going to use probably a defined risk trade. I'm not going to go in all crazy. I'm looking to go far out of the money. The stream is lagging. I don't think this. I don't know. I think it's just the internet's. Let me see here. Yeah, not sure I could really do anything about it right now. Okay. I don't know. You're good all the way to Poland. Close your absolutes, bro. I mean, there's no reason, I mean, look at this, guys. There's no situation here. There's no situation here. No situation. So, to the guy complaining. Okay. Anyways, so GameStop, I'm gonna look to sell some far out of the money premium, but I don't know if I'm gonna get the chance. I feel like GameStop is gonna go down. I feel like it's gonna go down. I mean, after the movement yesterday, I mean, it held on, but it's barely hanging on right now. It's barely hanging on. Yeah, Chrome's a pig. Yeah, Chrome is not ideal. So, Beyond, I'm going to be looking for a trade in. I'm not looking to get aggressive because obviously, I mean, look at the move. I mean, the move's already, I'm not going to say it's been made, but I mean, the premiums are going to be out of control. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Try to sell some premium here again. Couple things on the radar just to keep in mind, guys, is the Fed is having their 2-day meeting starting today, and then tomorrow the Fed is going to come out and, most likely going to keep their rates the same. Powell has a press conference at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. tomorrow Eastern time. Okay, and then we're getting into the thick of earnings season here. Starting tomorrow morning. Actually, starting this morning, we had Johnson & Johnson, Verizon, GE, American Express. But tonight, we have AMD, Microsoft, Starbucks. AMD, Microsoft, Starbucks, and tomorrow morning is AT&T and Boeing. So just be mindful that we have a heck of a lot of earnings coming up here. Johnson & Johnson this morning, I didn't actually look. Johnson & Johnson morning looks like they did good. GE, what did GE do here? GE did well. I was actually thinking about going long GE, and then I was like, I'm never gonna go long GE, so I didn't do the trade. Probably should have did the trade. It's up $1. Expected move was 80 cents. And then American Express is taking a dump. But I think it's safe to say, I mean, we have plenty of stocks to, take advantage of here, guys. I mean, there's no shortage. Jimmy, I'm trying to sell bullish credit spreads, but IV is so high, it's hard to get fills and hard to buy back. Yeah, I mean, I went into a naked. Now, I definitely, if you're new to options trading, or even if you're not new, because I mean, it made me nervous, but if you're nervous about a trade, don't do it. That's why I exited. But I was in a naked short call, that is, on GameStop yesterday, and I made $100, but it was not ideal. I mean, I started shorting right down here. Premiums all over the place, going up or down. I was up money, I was down money, I was making money, I was flat. Like it was just whipsawing. Like the market doesn't have a clue how to price out any of this premium right now, and it's obviously a speculation market. So let me just take this alert off here. So I think that we can sell some premium far out of the money if it's going for a good amount of money. Sell it, and then if red does. I mean, the spreads are a problem. You're probably gonna want to go naked short put if you're trying to get long. Like I think spreads are too hard to get filled because of the pricing. Unless you could put your spread far above market and kind of work your way down and see where you get filled. I mean, you could do that. You could do that too. Like start pricing it high. Maybe they'll reach for it. Sometimes they do. I mean, I put my order in and somebody grabbed it yesterday. DraftKings and Penn are up on the Michigan news coming out. So I did go long yesterday on DraftKings. DraftKings right now, I am long. I'm short the 45 put for February, so that means I'm long this stock. So right now, kind of letting Theta do his thing. As you can see here, kind of cleaned up my portfolio yesterday. I don't currently have any UVH Academy trades on right now for the options trade ideas. I just closed out the last one yesterday. And so far in January, the UVH Academy options trade ideas is 444, up over $300 in profit for the month. So just kind of keep it rolling, But I close it out. And for the people that were asking me about the trade ideas, just as you can see here, patience is key. It's going to work out. Just use time and allow the trade to work out. Stick to the plan. As long as the chart and the plan is going okay, just stick with it. Workhorse and Ride are up on the. I was looking at this yesterday. Workhorse is up on the Biden news saying that that the government fleet is going to be going EV. NIO, I don't think is impacted by that. I don't think NIO is going to really matter because they're not going to use a Chinese brand to run the fleet. Okay. Let's see here. 1 second. So Tesla also, I mean, it hit 900 yesterday. It's popping back up pre-market here. My book is nearly clean, sitting on a good amount of cash. When is this pullback so I could buy more? Yeah, yesterday was quick on the stimulus news. Say Biden says it's going to take more time, so it kind of is what it is. But Tesla and Workhorse, I think if you're looking to play the EV, I mean, I think Tesla, Workhorse, Ride are probably your safest bet for this type of trade. Ride looking pretty good here on the 1 year. Workhorse also was looking rather good on the 1 year. I mean, it did hit 27, so we'll see these areas where we know that they're sellers. We'll see what happens. I mean, if Workhorse can come back down, definitely would like to put another spread on it and kind of just sit on it. So we'll see. I mean, the idea for the trade is just kind of rinse and repeat profits, take profits, redeploy capital, take profits, redeploy capital. Disney, I'm currently long right now. Disney, I was down what I'm doing on Disney, this is my only long call right now. I'm in the 170 call for February. I'm playing the earnings run up for February 11th. Right now, Disney's up a bit to 173 pre-market. I think my target was like the 176, 177 area. I don't know if we're gonna get that today, but I mean, if it pushes 175, I probably will take that off right now. And then CLOV, I'm selling premium in Snow. I'm selling premium in. So nothing really going on here. CLOV, I mean, it did hit 14.95 yesterday, but just came back down. It's now just kind of hanging out. It's just sitting here. So is it gonna push back up? Is it gonna sit? We'll see. I know a lot of people are trading AMC and BlackBerry. AMC is now approaching $5. I did close my long position out early. I don't know. I just was like, AMC. I don't know. I honestly didn't think it was gonna break the 50-day moving average. I mean, like in hold. You know, it popped up and it came down, got rejected, so I got out. You know, yo, Ben, what's going on? But AMC looks like it's hitting 5 pre-market, it's making a push up. Also, BlackBerry, I know you guys, Wall Street Bet guys, are playing BlackBerry, which, I mean, it's just purely, again, speculation, price action. Even BlackBerry came out yesterday and like, hey, we don't know why the stock's up. There's no reason for the stock to be up this much. And the stock, pretty much, I mean, it was kind of a choppy day, but it held. It held. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, we know stocks like BlackBerry, GameStop, AMC are heavily shorted. So I mean, just be mindful. Let's see. I mean, it's kind of entertaining to see how long Wall Street Bets can really hang on to this. Shorting GameStop and AMC is nothing like shorting Tesla. Like, people compare, it's like, well, Tesla went up. Like, shorting Tesla and GameStop and AMC is nothing like shorting Tesla. Nothing like shorting Tesla. It's AMC has a real catalyst, at least not going bankrupt. Yeah, AMC because the rise in price are able to raise more cash, but I mean, AMC, unlike Tesla, was struggling before the pandemic. I don't know, man. Like, the good news, I think the good news is for AMC is like Regal. Regal went out of business. Their competitors going out of business. So when they do like fully reopen, they have less competition, which might be the only thing that could help AMC. I really think. Other than that, like, I'm pretty comfortable watching movies at home, but I know for like the kids, they don't want to sit at home. They want to take their girlfriends out and whatever. But just keep in mind, Thursday and Friday, I'm not going to be live streaming. My wife's going through a surgery this week, so I gotta be available. And that's why this week is a little bit choppy on the live streams. Not that I don't want to, it's just that I have responsibilities to take care of. So just be mindful. Just Thursday and Friday, I'm not ditching you guys on purpose. Just that's what's going down. Everything's fine. Everything's routine. Nothing concerning whatsoever. But that's the situation I got. I have little kids, so little kids, no mom. Dad's got to step up. So Thursday and Friday, that's what I'll be doing. So I'll be light. I mean, if I trade, I'll be posting my P&Ls, kind of show you what I'm looking at. I'll be in the Discord or on Facebook or wherever. But that's the situation right now for Thursday and Friday. So other things that I'm looking for, AMD here. I was looking at some earnings plays. I don't know if anyone's looking for some earnings plays, but AMD, I mean, it's at 95. I don't like it that much up in here. I mean, I do think it's probably going to beat, but I don't know at this point kind of what's priced in. Implied volatility is at 97%, so I am not loving it. I'm not loving it. AMC premium is rich. I sold a weekly 4 put. Man, I should sell some more premium in AMC. I don't know though. I mean, I guess I could sell some more premium. It just kind of got away from me. I mean, I made money on AMC, just not the bag that I thought I was gonna make. But I took my profits I got out when I didn't feel comfortable about the trade. So AMD, we're at 97% implied volatility. Expected move is $7. So right now, between now and Friday. So just be mindful. AMD, I think it's going to be a tough trade. I think there will be, but I don't know what's priced in. Maybe I could sell a far out of the money put. I don't know. Do I want to sell the 88s? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't know if I want to sell the 88. I mean, if they had 85, I mean 88 might be okay. If they had 85 or 80, I mean it might be okay. I mean maybe I should go out to February. Maybe I sell the 80. Maybe I sell the 85, and maybe I'll sell the 85 in February. Or the 80, 85 or 80. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I might do that. On AMD. If I can get out of the money and give it some time, try to get a put below support. Microsoft also is going to have earnings too. Microsoft's running up 232 here, coming up on this all-time high resistance here. So all-time high is 32.86. It did hit 233. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. GME to the moon. What do you think about GILD? I haven't looked at GILD in a minute. I mean, mRNA is performing. GLD, it's doing numbers though. But I don't like how it's being held under here by the 200-day moving average. I mean, the purple line here that I have, 200-day moving average, holding it down right now. So I don't like that. I mean, above, I like. Below, not so much. I was in mRNA. mRNA is ripping. I was selling some premiums in here as well, and mRNA just pushing. Don't you click more by selling in less time? Yeah, but then you open yourself open to gamma risk, and you could have a big price fluctuation in your option, which you don't really want when you're selling options. Like when you're buying options, yes, you want, well, not necessarily when you're buying options, but like when you're buying options, you can handle the price fluctuations more, but like you don't want, like what you don't want is a when you're shorting options to go to like 300% to the downside. Like you could be winning and then one day like people like look at Beyond. Like this is what you don't want to happen. If you're shorting options, like people were shorting probably calls or shorting the stock in general, like you don't want this. And if it expires this week, you're open to a huge, what you call is gamma risk. Huge gamma risk. So that's not what you want. So that's why premium sellers, like when they start getting to like the 14-day to expiration, they'll start rolling out to the next month. It's kind of why they do it that way, because sure they could leave it on until expiration, but it just leaves them open to risk with no time. Downsides, there's the downsides increase the closer you get to expiration. Like what if like for this scenario, people could leave their contracts open and let them expire, but if they're worth like a penny, just close them, man. You know what I mean? You're just leaving yourself open to risk. You just close the trade. Because, this could come out tomorrow like, oh, they cancel their deal and this thing craters to 100. We've all seen some crazy things in the stock market. Yeah, they need to cover by Friday as well. I'm thinking GameStop shorts are going to be they're going to have to cover by every Friday. Yo, Maxim, what's going on? Maxim, we got multiple Maxes here. It's like Dan. A lot of Dans. But right now the market's opening in 4 minutes. Dow's actually picking up steam. It's at 90. What do you guys think about Boeing? You think Boeing is gonna beat You think? I don't think Boeing's gonna beat, but I think it might be priced in. You know what I mean? Expected move $13. I mean, what's the worst that could happen to Boeing? You know what I mean? Like, what do you guys think is the worst that could happen? I don't even think. I mean, premiums in here not even worth shorting. Yeah, I'm gonna sell. I think I'm gonna maybe let me see how I'm gonna sell that 85 AMD put. Yeah, I might sell that 85 AMD put. That's what I might do. Boeing to 0. Yeah, I mean, I guess the worst case would go to 0, but even like if you think about it, even if Boeing was going out of business and they liquidated everything, they would be more than 0. You know what I mean? Well, I don't know how much debt they're in actually, but I'm sure. The government's going to bail them out. I mean, we know. I mean, Trump said that the U.S. government's not going to allow Boeing to go out of business, and I highly doubt Biden's going to allow it because that's a big security issue. You know, kids always pissed. You know, they're always pissed. Kids are always pissed. He's like, by my door, let me in. Let me in. Oh my goodness. Roku had some, like, I don't know if you guys are trading. I wasn't in Roku. I mean, this was some crazy crash yesterday off of, like, this is why I kind of sat out yesterday. I mean, we had a thick double bottom here. These charts are all looking the same. I was in actually SPCE. So Space, I did, but Space got halted due to volatility. I mean, this hit 38, 39, came down to 32. I was selling puts in here. I closed them out. Before the crash because I mean, obviously you don't know. And this is a good example, you know, why you take profits when you hit your targets. When you hit your targets, don't keep pushing the target further out. Don't keep saying, "Oh, I made it this far. I'm going to keep pushing because then this happens." You know, and sure, it's come back, but it definitely screws your position. It definitely wastes time. And when you could have been out of the trade just really nice and easy, you decided to push it, right? You decided to be greedy. And you kept pushing your target. Once you put your profit target or your loss target, whatever happens, don't change it. Don't change it. Bro, cashed out Space before the crash. I picked it back up at dip, already up 20%. I was thinking about double dipping on Space, but I don't like to sell and then get back in. I mean, even though the price action was dictating that I should do that, I just didn't. But we'll have another opportunity on Space. I mean, Space obviously is out of here. It's at 37 right now, 37.50. So I think that it could push, but we'll see what happens. I'm not going to try to get too aggressive with Space because obviously, you know, a lot of speculation right now. I'm just trying to see here what else we got. Markets opening in 45 seconds. Trying to see here. What other stocks you guys looking at? Docu or Nvidia? Anything interesting? I haven't really been too interested in DocuSign or Nvidia. I mean, DocuSign obviously is chopping. It's heading up. As you can see, the averages are pushing up, but I don't know. Teladoc got upgraded this morning on. I mean, if you're looking to play the COVID stocks, as there's a ramp in COVID cases or the new strains, this is why Teladoc is taking off. So maybe DocuSign will push due to that. Zoom obviously is having a rough time, but Zoom could obviously bounce around here as well if these ramp up. And it seems like the new strain they're saying is more deadly. I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's just one thing after another, you know. Nvidia. All right, market just opened up. Let's see what's going on here. Market opened up, but the Disney options have not yet. Well, they just opened up. So chilling. Right now, yeah, Nvidia. Nvidia is just stuck, man. It's just stuck on Nvidia. February 24th, earnings not till February. It's just stuck. I mean, I think that it's great setup for earnings, and I think that if you start wanting to get long like March expiration, or you want to get shares, I think that it's going to be good. But it doesn't really matter where I think it matters what the price is. I mean, this could definitely not move. I mean, it could literally just sit here. CRM got some upgrades yesterday too. CRM actually hit 230 yesterday before popping down on the crash. I mean, there was a lot. I mean, Apple's pushing 144. Let's see what happened to Beyond this morning. Let's see. Beyond 220, 213 right now. Let's see these weeklies. Let's see what these weeklies are up. Look, there's not even enough strikes on here right now. Weeklies are up 2,000%. Yeah, I mean this is insane. What's GameStop doing? GameStop's up to 98. Oof. All right, let's see. I want to sell some premium in here. What do they have on Thinkorswim? They got so they're up to Thinkorswim and Tastyworks is matching now. Let's see, that 230s in March. Yeah, they got the 230. So I'm not gonna like short like right this second, but I'm gonna be watching. I'm gonna be watching for the short. I'm gonna watch for the short. We'll see what they do. We'll see what they do. AMC's coming back down on 5. I mean, if AMC can come back down, I know it's asking a lot. 350. I'll get back in. AMC can go to 350. I will get back in. What about BlackBerry? Man, all these stocks, they just keep pushing them. Microsoft's pushing up right now. Disney sold off a little bit here. Sold off that the gap here. I think Disney will stay above 170. But the question is like, what's it want? Kron, man, no one's brought that stock up for a minute, bro. Like, no one's asked about that stock I think you're the first person since like 2018, man. Like, honestly. Which is kind of crazy because, I mean, the price action is really dictating, like, I mean, it's going nuts, but I think this is, you want to be careful here. I mean, this could be a double bottom right here on the chart, but you also don't want to, like, catch the knife. You know what I mean? I mean, you could on the drop here. I mean, what could we do? Premium's thick. Actually, premium's not that expensive. This week's at 101%. February's at 81. March is 91. Yeah, I mean, I think I catch knives with my teeth. Oh my gosh. I mean, I would like it better at 9. I don't know if it is good. I mean, the whole sector is catching a wave. Now, I don't know when and if, Biden's team's going to do anything about it. But it's on the table that the Democrats are going to push some sort of federal legalization. CGC's out of here. It's just crazy. I mean, MJ, I think I like MJ a little bit better than Kron, but I mean, its chart is very, very similar. CGC is going to be reaching all-time highs here pretty soon. So, DraftKings right now, it is pushing. Probably should close my trade out here. It's pushing right now. Resistance. Every time I sold here has been good. I've not regretted it once. I mean, I'm sure I'll regret it one of these times at the test. But right now, so far, I have not regretted it. I mean, I could definitely hold on to this trade too. We'll see. But right now, my P&L is a little bit on the weak side. I don't really have a whole lot going on. Down a little bit on Disney, DraftKings is my top performer today. I mean, I'm kind of making pennies here, but even though I'm making pennies, still up $100 in the day. I mean, it's not bad. Not bad. Anyone trading Lyft? Let's see here. Lyft. Man, those dips were massive yesterday. Just massive. Let's see here. SPCE. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is pushing out. Things are coming down a little bit right now, but we still have the S&P's up 7, Dow's up 111, and Nasdaq's only up 3 right now. Dow's actually, doing some work after that overnight reversal. Bro, I'm glad I got out of Lululemon. That thing is just getting axed. I mean, just no more, man. No more. Nope. DraftKings, I got a $1.31 credit. I mean, I'm gonna take off. Let's take off DraftKings here. I'll put my order in, but I don't know if it's getting filled. Bid and ask is like 6 cents right now, so we'll see. Let's see if anybody wants to buy my put or sell a put to me. Okay. Why was my net like at 66666? Oh my gosh. BB, what's going on, clearance? Class A, congrats. I think BlackBerry, didn't they have like a partnership deal too with somebody? Let's see, what's premium at on BlackBerry here? Let's take a look. We got premium on 245. 245. We can short this bad boy right in here. One standard deviation. Get $400 for it. Might not be a bad deal. What was that? The 30. You can go up to 40. You can short the 40. $300. I don't know. It's definitely, it's definitely scary. It's definitely scary. Like doing that. I think I would rather short BlackBerry over GameStop though. I think I would short. BlackBerry has I think better odds of coming down. But I mean, look at these premiums here. GameStop 363%, 304%, 644% for this week, and they're expecting the move to be $46 plus or minus by Friday. $64 for next week. I mean, this is insane. Insane. And GameStop is up $18. It's up, look at it, 18 points right now. Boom, DraftKings got filled. Okay, someone picked up, bought back my put. Someone sold the put. Made $52. Pretty easy overnight swing. I mean, the reason why I've been selling DraftKings at 55 just because it hasn't been a little break. Now, once it does break, I'll probably lay in a little bit more, but right now it's not. Penn, let's see what Penn's doing this morning. Because Penn's in the same boat. Penn's not really moving that much. It's only up 9 cents right now. I think, is Penn topping out a little bit, looking for some consolidation? I mean, it might be looking to ping between 100 and 110 for a little bit here. We'll see, because even with the Michigan news, I mean, it's not really pushing. But I do think that Penn and DraftKings, they're going to be posting some huge profits in 2021. But overall market right now, I mean, yeah, of course, Square's down another $2. Glad I'm out of that trash. Nvidia's down 3. AMD's down 15 cents here. Boeing's up $3. I don't think the premium is worth selling in Boeing for earnings. It's expected moves like $6. What was it? 6? was $10. Expected move was $10. I don't know. Just doubled my options on GE. That's what's up. That's what's going on. But right now, I mean, the market's just chopping. Oh, GameStop halted right now. Again. It's coming down to 85. I mean, just it's all over the place. It's just all low. Look at this candle up to 104 or 102, down to 85, halted. I mean, it's yeah. RK's dropping. Man, still snowing a ton. Let's see what happened to Workhorse. Ooh, Workhorse hitting 28.95. Ride hitting 25. Rail. Let's see here. Yeah, Rail's pushing. Looks like on the verge of breaking out here. But other than that, I mean, there's not really a whole lot going on. Again, like if you guys want to see the earnings calendar, just be mindful. We have quite a bit of earnings coming up. AMD, Microsoft, Starbucks, AT&T, and Boeing are in our foreseeable future here. And then Wednesday, Facebook, Apple, Tesla. And just keep in mind, Wednesday, the Fed will be making their rate announcement, and the Fed will be, Powell will also be making a speech or press conference. So I think that's all that I got, guys. So you guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. And as always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.